Good morning, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I have a small injury, so I cannot take class using whiteboard. So please cooperate me. Dear students, let us start our second chapter. Second chapter name Computer Organization Introduction Part 2. We are already studied about integrated circuit. Integrated circuits are the basic building blocks of digital computer. Already studied in the 7th standard, logical gates are the basic building blocks for this circuit. Then our first chapter we studied about the combination circuit like adders and comparators, etc. The combination circuits are used only for processing. It does not use any storage space. That means not used by memory. So in this lesson we studied how a logic circuit is used along with storage elements. So the first topic is sequential circuit. Sequential circuit is a logical circuit that is used for processing and storing bits is known as sequential circuit. One more I say sequential circuit have used for two things. One is processing and also storing bits. That is the sequential circuit. Combination circuit only for processing and does not use storing purpose. So sequential circuit has memory elements so that output can vary based on previous state that is stored in memory element. Here have these types of circuit uses four elements. First one is previous input, second one output, third one clock, and fourth one a memory. So this type of circuit uses previous input, output, clock, and memory element. Examples of sequential circuits are flip-flops, registers, counters. We are already studied examples of combinational circuits adders comparator. Now we study examples of sequential circuits, flip-flops, registers, and counters. Dear students, here have the block diagram of sequential circuit. This block diagram containing one is input, second output, also clock and memory elements. Okay. Dear students, flip-flop is a examples of sequential circuit. Now we are going to study about flip-flop. Flip-flop is a sequential circuit which generally takes its input and changes its output at a particular instant of time. Simply, the definition of flip-flop is a flip-flop is used for storing one bit information. That means one flip-flop can store one bit of information. Flip-flops are used to storing one bit of information. That is very important point. Flip-flops considered as the most basic idea of a RAM. RAM means random access memory. then it is sensitive or triggered by clock pulses. That means it changes its outputs only at the occurrence of clock pulses. Then some examples of the flip-flops are SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop and D flip-flop. Dear students, today wind up our session. Next class we will discuss briefly about SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop and D flip-flop. So today only studied about what is sequential circuit, block diagram of sequential circuit, what is mean by flip-flop, what are the examples of flip-flops. Be study very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.